while you're taking up a test, you're writing with a pencil. You wrote something wrong. It's no bigger deal because you can erase it off with the eraser. But do you know why is it so easy to write with a pencil? Yes, that's what we are going to see today. And welcome back to Curious Minds. Pencils are very convenient tools to write or draw. What kind of material can we use it on? Let's begin with paper. Yes, all can write very smoothly on paper, but you can't write it on cloth, plastic, or glass because pencils are invented to write only on paper. This is the this is what the surface of paper looks like under a microscope. You can see that it is made up of fine fibers of wood. When you draw a line on this bumpy surface, the pencil point rubs against the surface and wears off little by little. The graphite there of a pencil lead is made of this is trapped between the paper fibers and leaves a mark. It is difficult for graphite to stick to plastic or glass because the surface is not as smooth than paper. Cloth is too soft to break the lead and it is so hard to write letters on it. So the ideal material for pencil to write on should be roughed surface so that graphite breaks off and grainy so that graphite adheres it. Now, do you know how pencils are made? Yes. The two materials used to make pencil lead are graphite and clay. Graphite provides the black color and clay is added to the lead so that the lead can be molded and doesn't break easily. The graphite and clay are kneaded together with water to make pliable dough. Now it is needed by machines, but it was needed manually in past. Yes, the dough is then squeezed through molds that produce long thin strips of lead. The leads are baked at 1100 degrees Celsius for a day. This process ensures the clay and the graphite bond perfectly and harden. The leads are then soaked in the oil to make them smooth so that they do not scratch and tear the paper. Then the leads are sandwiched between two slats of cedar wood which are grooved to hold the leads. The slab is then cut to the size and the slides are further sculpted to form a hexagonal or a round case. A coat of paint completes the job. Yes, so this is how pencils are made. Then, have you ever noticed why pencils are in hexagon shape? Because it gives you a better grip. That's why, and it does not roll. Yes, this is why pencils are always in hexagon shape. But aren't the color pencils? Color pencils are not round. All the materials used to make lead in colored pencils are soft. Yes, there is no graphite in a colored pencil. Powered pigments or dyes are mixed with the water, clay, and a variety of glues and resins bind them. The leads are squeezed through a mold as the normal pencils and then dipped in a molten wax to make them smooth. The leads in colored pencils are usually thicker than those in normal pencils. A hexagon pencil has thin edges and is not ideal for thick leads. To prevent a colored pencil from breaking, a round shape is preferred, and color doesn't require such a hard grip as writing does. So a round shape is ideal for this activity. Yes. So what does HP in pencil stand for? Yes, the letter H and B are printed on pencil stand for hard and black. The hardness and the blackness of a pencil depend on the proportions of the blackness of a pencil depend on the proportions of graphite and clay used to make the lead. More graphite means that the pencil will make softer blacker mark on paper, and more clay means the pencil will harder lighter mark on the paper. So this is why there is a HP mark in pencils. Now, Prehistoric people used different materials to draw and paint on cave walls. Brushes in ink or paint were used in ancient China to write the marks could be not easily erased. In England, bread was tried out as an eraser, so the ink was scraped off with a knife. Later, after the discovery of graphite and its suitability as a writing material, someone found that the synthetic rubber was a good eraser. It could rub out the graphite marks easily. Now, so the combination of a pencil and eraser are made of rubber, windy plastic of gum, the most convenient tools for writing all over around the world. When pencils were first made, they were expensive and only wealthy people could afford them. But when pencil making became a mass industry, pencils became cheap and everyone could buy them. This is how pencils are made. And today there are many kinds of pencils you can buy. There are these grease pencils that write on glass, plastic, and metal. The cosmetic makeup pencils. There are even pencils that can paint. Pencils are really the right choice. So hey guys, hope you like this video. If you don't forget to hit that like button, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe to Curious Minds, and if you have any ideas or topics do suggest in the comment box. Until a good video, this is me Curious Minds signing off. Bye.